In this video today, I'm going to be showcasing to you guys the Nuphy Air75. This is both a wired and wireless mechanical keyboard. This is a low profile keyboard that utilizes Gateron switches, and it could either come in blue, brown, or red. This one that I have on right here is using brown. So as I said before, this keyboard could either be wired or wireless. Wirelessly operates on Bluetooth. On top of that, it has a lot of customization with different backlight patterns as well as a bunch of different colors. This is a super minimal keyboard and it has a really nice look to it, so I do highly recommend it.